In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 Mobil 1 synthetic motor oils in 2026, best full synthetic and high mileage oils. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 Mobil 1 synthetic motor oils in 2026. Number 1, Mobil 1 Truck and SUV Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W20, 5 Quart, Advanced Engine Protection for High-Performance Trucks and SUVs, designed for trucks and SUVs, specially formulated for the higher demands of light trucks, SUVs, and performance vehicles. Full synthetic formula delivers superior protection against engine wear, sludge, and deposits. Excellent low-temperature performance. 0W20 viscosity ensures fast oil flow during cold starts. High-temperature stability maintains viscosity and protection under extreme driving conditions. Meets OEM specifications, suitable for many Ford, GM, Toyota, and other modern engines requiring 0W20 oil. Mobil 1 Truck and SUV Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W20 is engineered to provide exceptional engine protection for today's powerful trucks, SUVs, and performance vehicles. Its advanced full synthetic formula helps reduce engine wear, resist oil breakdown, and protect critical engine components under both everyday driving and demanding conditions. With excellent low-temperature performance, this oil ensures fast lubrication during cold starts, while its high-temperature stability helps maintain viscosity and protection during heavy loads, towing, and long drives. The result is improved engine cleanliness, enhanced performance, and extended engine life. Whether you're driving in city traffic, hauling equipment, or heading off-road, Mobil 1 Truck and SUV 0W20 delivers the reliable protection your vehicle needs. Number 2, Mobil 1 European Car Formula Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W40, 5 Quart, Premium Engine Protection for European Vehicles, engineered for European cars, designed to meet the demanding requirements of high-performance European engines. Full synthetic formula provides superior wear protection, engine cleanliness, and long-lasting performance. Excellent high-temperature stability maintains viscosity and protection under extreme heat and heavy driving conditions. Outstanding cold start protection. 0W40 viscosity ensures fast oil flow in cold weather. Meets major European standards, suitable for many BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Porsche, Audi, and Volkswagen engines. Mobil 1 European Car Formula Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W40 is specially engineered to deliver outstanding performance and protection for modern European vehicles. Its advanced full synthetic formulation helps protect against engine wear, sludge, and harmful deposits. Even under the most demanding driving conditions, this high-performance oil offers excellent thermal and oxidation stability, helping to maintain engine efficiency in both high-temperature highway driving and stop-and-go city traffic. The 0W40 viscosity ensures quick lubrication during cold starts while maintaining strong protection when the engine is hot. Mobil 1 European Car Formula 0W40 meets or exceeds many leading European manufacturer specifications, making it an ideal choice for drivers who want premium engine protection, improved engine cleanliness, and long-term reliability. Number 3, Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W20, 6-pack of 1 quart, superior engine protection and performance. Advanced full synthetic formula provides excellent engine wear protection and long-lasting performance, improves engine cleanliness, helps prevent sludge and harmful deposits. Excellent low-temperature flow. 5W20 viscosity ensures fast lubrication during cold starts. High-temperature protection maintains viscosity and protection in extreme driving conditions. OEM approved, suitable for many Ford, Honda, Toyota, and other vehicles requiring 5W20 oil. Mobil 1 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W20 is designed to deliver outstanding engine protection and performance for modern gasoline engines. Its advanced synthetic formula helps reduce engine wear, resist breakdown, and protect critical components under both everyday driving and demanding conditions. The 5W20 viscosity grade provides excellent cold start protection, ensuring quick oil flow when the engine starts, while maintaining strong protection at high operating temperatures. This helps extend engine life, improve efficiency, and keep engines running clean and smoother. This convenient 6-pack of 1 quart bottles is perfect for oil top-offs, smaller oil changes, or keeping extra oil on hand for maintenance. Number 4 Mobil 1 Extended Performance High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W20, 5 quart, long-lasting protection for high-mileage engines, high-mileage formula designed for vehicles with 75,000 plus miles to help extend engine life. Extended performance protection provides up to 20,000 miles of protection between oil changes, when recommended. Full synthetic technology delivers superior wear protection, engine cleanliness, and durability. Seal conditioning agents helps reduce leaks in oil consumption in older engines. Excellent cold start and heat protection. 0W20 viscosity ensures fast lubrication in cold weather and strong protection at high temperatures. Mobil 1 Extended Performance High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W20 is specially formulated for vehicles with higher mileage engines that need extra protection and care. Its advanced full synthetic formula helps reduce engine wear, fight sludge and deposits, and protect critical components for long-lasting performance. This high-mileage oil contains seal conditioners to help prevent leaks and reduce oil consumption, making it ideal for older engines. The 0W20 viscosity ensures fast oil flow during cold starts while maintaining strong protection under high heat and heavy driving conditions. With Mobil 1's extended performance technology, this oil can provide up to 20,000 miles of protection between oil changes, as recommended, helping you save time while keeping your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Number 5 Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W20, 5 quart, advanced protection for engines with 75,000 plus miles, high mileage formula designed for vehicles with 75,000 plus miles to help extend engine life. Full synthetic protection helps reduce engine wear and improve overall performance. Seal conditioning technology helps prevent leaks and reduce oil consumption. Excellent cold start performance. 0W20 viscosity ensures fast oil flow in cold weather, helps reduce sludge and deposits. Keeps engines clean and running smoothly. Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil 0W20 is specially formulated for vehicles with higher mileage engines that need extra care and protection. Its advanced full synthetic formula helps reduce engine wear, fight sludge and deposits, and maintain engine cleanliness. This high-mileage oil contains seal conditioners to help prevent leaks and reduce oil consumption, making it ideal for older engines. The 0W20 viscosity provides fast lubrication during cold starts while delivering strong protection at high operating temperatures. Mobil 1 High Mileage 0W20 helps extend engine life, improve performance, and keep your vehicle running reliably for years to come.